Welcome to Scoper 360, your trusted guide to the world of firearms and shooting experiences. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting topics for both new and experienced shooters: the best stock 308 rifles for beginners. Whether you're stepping into hunting, target shooting, or simply expanding your collection, the 308 caliber offers the perfect balance of power, accuracy, and versatility. But with so many rifles on the market, how do you know which one truly suits your needs? In this review, we've handpicked 6 rifles that stand out in performance, reliability, and overall value. We'll count them down from number 6 to number 1, sharing both objective details and personal impressions, including price considerations, so you can make an informed choice. Stay tuned until the end to discover which rifle might become your next trusted companion. And don't forget to subscribe to Scoper 360, hit like, and share this video to support our team as we bring you more in-depth firearm guides. Starting our list at number 6 is the Ruger American Rifle, a fantastic entry point for anyone new to shooting. Objectively, it's a lightweight, durable bolt-action rifle with a cold hammer-forged barrel. Known for delivering consistent accuracy, the adjustable trigger allows you to fine-tune the pull weight, making it more comfortable and forgiving for beginners. Its 3-lug bolt with a 70-degree lift ensures smooth cycling without your fingers bumping into the scope. And the rotary detachable magazine is simple and reliable. From a personal perspective, I find the Ruger American surprisingly enjoyable for long sessions. It feels solid in hand, with textured grips that provide a confident hold even in wet or dusty conditions. It's also an affordable option, typically priced around $450 to $600, depending on configuration, making it a great choice for shooters who want solid performance without breaking the bank. While it doesn't have the same aftermarket support or premium finish as some higher-end rifles, the Ruger American delivers reliability, versatility, and straightforward handling. For anyone starting their journey with the 308 caliber, this rifle offers excellent value and a forgiving learning curve. Coming in at number 5 is the Savage Axis, a rifle that balances affordability with surprisingly strong performance. Objectively, it features a free-floated barrel that avoids contact with the stock, helping maintain consistent accuracy. Its AccuTrigger system delivers a clean, crisp break, which is a huge confidence boost for beginners. The synthetic stock is built to handle rough field use without fear of damage, and the 4-round detachable magazine ensures simple, reliable feeding. From my own experience, the Savage Axis feels smooth and approachable for new shooters. Its bolt action cycles easily, making it less intimidating to operate, and the recoil pad does a decent job of softening shoulder impact. While the design is more utilitarian than flashy, the sleek contours and textured grips give it a comfortable feel in hand. Price-wise, the Savage Axis is one of the most budget-friendly 308 rifles, generally falling between $350 and $500, making it an excellent entry-level choice. It's not the most customizable rifle on the market, and the trigger, while adjustable, won't match premium precision setups. Still, the Savage Axis stands out as a dependable, accurate, and beginner-friendly option for anyone stepping into the 308 world. At number 4, we have the Remington 700, a legendary bolt-action rifle that has earned its reputation for accuracy and reliability over decades. Objectively, its cold hammer, forged barrel, and 3 rings of steel receiver deliver consistent precision, making it a favorite for hunters and marksmen alike. The adjustable trigger lets you fine-tune the pull weight to match your shooting style, whether you prefer a light or firm break. Plus, it comes in various stock options, from classic wood to rugged synthetic, so you can choose what feels right for you. From a personal standpoint, the Remington 700 feels like a rifle that grows with the shooter. Its smooth bolt action and excellent out-of-the-box accuracy are satisfying for beginners, while its incredible aftermarket support makes it highly customizable later on triggers. Barrels, stocks, you name it. This flexibility is what keeps the 700 relevant after all these years. Price-wise, the Remington 700 typically ranges from $650 to $900, depending on the model and configuration. While slightly pricier than the first two rifles on this list, you're paying for a proven platform that can evolve into a precision setup. In my opinion, the 700 is a timeless, versatile rifle that's ideal for anyone who wants to start strong and upgrade over time. Taking the third spot is the AR-10, the bigger and more powerful sibling of the AR-15. Objectively, the AR-10 offers 308 Winchester firepower in a familiar semi-automatic platform, making it perfect for long-range shooting and hunting larger game. Its heavier construction handles recoil and pressure well, and its modular design allows for extensive customization with different stocks, barrels, and optics. The AR-10 is highly versatile, capable of transitioning between hunting, tactical applications, and even home defense setups. From my personal experience, the AR-10 is exciting to shoot. The recoil is manageable, with follow-up shots, which is a huge plus for dynamic shooting scenarios. I enjoy its adaptability. The ability to tailor the rifle to your exact needs is a big part of the AR-10's appeal. When it comes to pricing, the AR-10 can vary widely based on the brand and configuration, typically ranging from $900 to $1,500. It's an investment, but for shooters who want both power and flexibility, the AR-10 delivers an impressive package. Its size and weight might be challenging for some beginners, but the payoff is a robust and capable rifle that's as fun as it is effective. At number 2, we have the DPMS Oracle, a rifle that brings AR-10 performance into a streamlined, budget-friendly package. Objectively, this semi-automatic rifle chambered in 308 Winchester is well suited for hunting and range shooting alike. Its 16-inch free-floating barrel strikes a good balance between maneuverability and accuracy, and the flat-top Picatinny rail makes it easy to mount optics of your choice. The Oracle also includes practical touches like a dust cover, low-profile gas block, and a collapsible stock, giving shooters both reliability and comfort in the field. Speaking from personal experience, the DPMS Oracle feels like a great bridge between entry-level and serious shooting. It's lighter and easier to handle than some AR-10s, making it less intimidating for new shooters. Follow-up shots are smooth, and the rifle's modularity means you can upgrade parts over time to suit your style. In terms of price, the Oracle generally falls in the $800 to $1,200 range, offering a lot of rifle for the money. It might not have the premium finish or advanced match-grade components of high-end AR-10s, but it delivers reliable performance, solid accuracy, and excellent value for anyone looking for a versatile .308 semi-auto rifle. Taking the top spot is the Springfield Monae, a modern classic that blends history, precision, and reliability. Objectively, this semi-automatic rifle is chambered in .308 Winchester, making it perfect for long-range shooting and hunting larger game. Its gas-operated, rotating bolt system ensures smooth cycling and dependable performance, while the 22-inch National Match barrel delivers impressive accuracy. The Monae also stays true to the iconic M14 design, available in either traditional wood for that nostalgic look or synthetic stocks for durability and field use. From my personal perspective, the Monae feels like more than just a rifle, it's an experience. Shooting it is smooth and satisfying, with a controllable recoil and a reassuring heft that inspires confidence. The two-stage military trigger is consistent and crisp, And the birdcage flash suppressor helps reduce muzzle flash in low light conditions. Its classic look, combined with modern reliability, makes it a favorite of mine both on the range and in the field. Price-wise, the Springfield Monae is an investment, typically ranging from $1,400 to $2,000. Depending on the model. While it's heavier and pricier than other rifles on this list, it offers heritage, performance, and collectability in one package. For shooters who want a rifle that's as capable as it is iconic, the Monae is hard to beat. And that wraps up our countdown of the top 6.308 rifles for beginners. From the budget-friendly Ruger American and Savage Axis to the legendary Remington 700, the versatile AR-10, the practical DPMS Oracle, and finally, the iconic Springfield Monae. Each of these rifles offers something unique depending on your goals, your experience, and your budget. Which of these rifles would you choose as your first or next 308, and why? Do you value precision, versatility, or the heritage of a classic design? We'd love to hear your thoughts, experiences, or questions in the comments section below. Your feedback helps other shooters and keeps our community growing. If you enjoyed this review and want to see more firearm guides, hunting tips, and gear breakdowns, don't forget to subscribe to Scoper 360, hit like, and share this video to support our team. Your support allows us to keep creating content for enthusiasts like you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next review.